In this presentation, I'll be explaining Big O notation, one of the most common used asymptotic notation in computer science. Especially, we'll look at an example to understand how it helps measure an algorithm efficiency. Big O notation is used to describe the upper bound of an algorithm times complexity or space complexity. In simpler terms, it shows how the performance of an algorithm changes as the input size increases, focusing on the worst scenario. Let's consider an example where we want to sum up all the elements of an array. We'll write a simple Python function for this. This defines a function named SUNArray that takes one argument r, which is expected to be list of numbers. A variable total is initialized to 0 to store the sum of the elements in the list. The next one is the for loop. Iterates over each element num in the list of array. In each iteration, the value of num is the current element is added to total. This is the shorthand for total is equals to total plus num. And the last is after all the elements in the array have been processed, the function returns to the total sum. In this case, the function has to loop through all the elements in the array once, which means that if the array size doubles, the number of the operation also doubles. As a result, the time complexity is O(n), where the number of the elements in the array. This linear relationship is often referred to as O(n), and it helps us to predict the performance of this function as the input grows. To summarize, Big O notation is crucial for understanding how algorithms scale. In this example, we saw how the algorithm that some element in an array plans in linear time, or O(n). This notation helps us to evaluate the efficiency of algorithms and choose the best one based on the input size and performance needs. Thank you for watching.